This video is for reference only. The actual product may vary depending on the model you purchased. Connect the hose connector to one end of the exhaust hose. Connect the window kit adapter to the other end. Insert the butterfly bolt into the adjustable window kit. Flip the window kit over and place the flat washer. Place the nut. Note: do not tighten the butterfly screw at this step. Extend the adjustable window kit to fit your window and tighten the screw. Note: if the panel is too long, you can cut it to fit your window. Connect the exhaust hose to the window kit. Close the window to secure the kit. Use duct tape if needed and seal any gaps around the adapter for best efficiency. Attach the hose connector to the unit's exhaust outlet. Adjust the air outlet louver and plug in the unit. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the mode button to select cooling, dry, or fan mode. In cooling mode, use the up and down buttons to adjust the temperature. The adjustable temperature range is 61 Fahrenheit to 90 Fahrenheit. Press the fan speed button to switch between low and high fan speed. Adjust the inner louver by hand to control the horizontal airflow direction. In fan mode, the room air is circulated, but not cooled. Press the fan speed button to select the fan speed as desired. Dry mode reduces humidity. In dry mode, the fan speed switches to low speed and cannot be adjusted. Press the sleep button to activate sleep mode. In sleep mode, the display and indicator lights dim. Note: sleep mode is available only in cooling mode. Press again to exit sleep mode. When the unit is on, press the timer button, then use the up-down buttons to set the hours before it turns off. The setting range is from 1 to 24 hours. When the unit is off, you can set an auto-on timer in the same way. To cancel the timer, set the value to 0. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock. All other buttons are disabled. Press and hold for 3 seconds again to exit this mode. Press the power button to turn the unit off. Press the temperature unit button on the remote control to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. All other functions are the same as those on the control panel. There are 2 ways of water drainage. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the unit to let water flow out. After drainage, replace the drain plug. The other way is to remove the water outlet plug at the upper drain port. Connect the drain hose securely and make sure it's not kinked, so water can flow freely. After draining, remove the drain hose and replace the plug. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the air filter. Then use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust. Rinse the filter under running water. Let it dry completely before reinstalling.